Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 26th of February, 2024. In yet another volatile session, the Indian equity indices ended on a negative session on February 26 with Nifty below 22,150 amid selling across the sectors barring oil and gas, power, and capital goods. At close, the Sensex was down 352.67 points, or 0.48%, at 72,790.13, and the Nifty was down 90.70 points, or 0.41%, at 22,122. Asian Paints, Hindalco Industries, Apollo Hospitals, Divi's Labs, and Titan Company were among the top losers on the Nifty, while gainers were Power Grid Corp, L&T, Adani Enterprises, BPCL and Tata Consumer. Talking about the corporate segment, we have Tourism Finance Corporation of India shares hit a new all-time high on February 26, after the company's board approved allotment of 88.91 lakh shares to non-promoters at 225 rupees per share. The board of directors in its meeting held today discussed and approved to issue and allot up to 88.9 lakh fully paid-up equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, at an issue price of 225 rupees, including a premium of 215 rupees each aggregating up to 200.04 rupees crore by way of preferential issue on a private placement basis, said TFCL in a stock exchange filing. Skipper shares surged 13% and hit an all-time high in early trade on February 26. After it signed a Rs 737 crore contract with Power Grid Corporation of India. The power transmission and distribution structures manufacturer bagged the order for design, supply and construction of 765 kV transmission line project. Sharon Bansal, Director, Skipper said, "We are pleased to share our latest achievement in our power transmission and distribution business, reinforcing our optimistic stance on this sector. The steady stream of orders from PGCIL has notably strengthened our order book in India's transmission and distribution domain." DIXON Technologies, India, shares on February 26 hit a record high at 7,048 rupees per share, up 2.6% as the firm signed a contract with Compal Smart Contract for mobile phone manufacturing. Padget Electronics, a wholly owned subsidiary of DIXON Tech, entered into a contract manufacturing agreement with Compal Smart Device India for manufacturing of mobile phones. Atul Lal, Managing Director, said, "It gives us an immense pleasure to partner with a global leader of technological products, Compal, for manufacturing of mobile phones. This association will give a strong impetus to India's manufacturing competitiveness. We are ecstatic and encouraged by the trust they have reposed on DIXON Group for the proposed association." INFIBEAM Avenue's share price rose 6% in the opening trade on February 26, after the financial technology company's board approved acquisition of a 20% stake in the US-based XJuice Corporation, founded in 2006. XJuice is a leading enterprise app and AI development company that specializes in building innovative AI solutions for businesses looking to optimize their internal operations and customer-facing systems for diverse industry verticals. Shares of Transformers and Rectifiers, India, rallied 5% in the early trade on February 26, after the company received orders of 232 rupees crore from Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. The order is for designing, engineering, manufacture and testing at manufacturers' works and supply of 500 MVA, 400 220, 33 kV, 3-phase ICT, 5 numbers of 500 MVA 400 220 R33 kV, 3-phase auto transformers along with all fitting, accessories for complete execution and local transportation, in-transit insurance, loading and uploading and installation services. Deep Energy Resources Limited in daily time frame is trading around 205.90 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 462.343 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 179.62, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 64.89. Avro India Limited in daily time frame is trading around 152.60 points with a change of 19.97%, and is trading with a net volume of around 323.434,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 137.13, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 66.95. Mox Ornaments Limited in daily time frame is trading around 25.45 points with a change of 19.48%, and is trading with a net volume of around 8.075 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 20.87, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 77.67. For the stock recommendation we have, SJVN Limited looks good and can be bought at 121 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 118 rupees and a target of 129 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.